friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mom Saikacha. Now I'm going to make the vegetable masala curry for your kids. So mothers are concerning that my kids not interested for the veggies. So you can try this recipe and very easy to make. So you watch my channel and subscribe. Let's do it. How to make the vegetable masala curry. First I take the beans, tomato, carrot and cashews. Carrot and beans you cut the small pieces. Cashews deep boil. These are the mushroom, spinach, turkey berry. I took the turkey berry in my home garden. If you want, you can take the green peas. 2 tablespoons ghee, 2 tablespoons yogurt, and ginger and garlic, 1 onion, red chili, and cloves. These are the spices: black pepper, mustard, and curry powder. When it heats the oil, I add ginger and garlic, cloves, onion, red chili, mustard, and cinnamon powder. Now I add 2 tablespoons ghee to the yogurt. Add the salt and pepper. Mix it well. Now add the yogurt mixture to the frying mixture. Mix it well again. Now I add the whole veggies: carrot, beans, mushroom, and cashews, turkey berry. Mix it well. Now add the 1 teaspoon chili powder and turmeric powder, salt, pour the 1 cup of water. One teaspoon curry powder. Until 15 minutes you cook it. Now I cook the yellow rice only with ghee. Now pour the coconut milk. Finally I add the spinach. Mix this curry. Now ready. Wow, this is very delicious recipe, vegetable masala curry. You try this for your kids. Thanks for watching.